Hey, welcome back again. Our video today is about chess words or chess pieces. Do you know the names in English? Let's solve our problem, and I'm sure you will remember them forever. Let's go. Let's jump to number one. This piece moves diagonally. What's the English word for this one? And it starts with letter B. Ready? Well done. It's the bishop. What do you call it in your language? Or what did you call it before in English? Did you know any? And next one. This little guy moves a step at a time. What is the English one? Do you know it? Pawn. It is the pawn. It is small, but it is very important in playing chess. And number three. The leader of the game. If this one is gone, the game is over. What is this? It is the king. Definitely true. What do you call it in your language? Or did you know this one before this video? Let's go to number four. This piece can go everywhere, and it is the most important one. What do you call it? The queen. It's the queen. And it is very important. If you lose this one, you're not in a good situation in the game. What about number five? This piece has a horse on top. Do you know the word in English? The knight. It is the knight, and it moves like L on the board. And the last one. You have seen this one also before. What's it called in English? The castle. It is the castle. Some people say castle and some say rook. Thanks. You learned chess words in English, and more puzzles are coming. So, stay with us for more and next English videos. Don't forget to head over to my website, Lingo Wizard, for English lessons online. See you next time in my video. Goodbye.